Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Week 35 Market Roundup. A SP500 all-time high markup phase video analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID 6E807B831 2020 10:16:39 AM. As mentioned in Week 34 Market Roundup on last Sunday, S&P 500 futures ES went through vertical absorption on 20 August 21, 2020, which is similar to 30 July 31, 2020, with the anticipation to push through beyond 3,400, hitting all-time high. Last week, we have witnessed S&P 500 rallied 111 points or 3% and close above 3,500. As S&P 500 entering into an uncharted territory, there are no prior levels acted as resistance. In this case, a channel was drawn up, and based on the price movement of the past, it is anticipated that S&P 500 to hit the overbought channel around 3,550 before a reaction unfolds, as shown in the chart below. The supply level for the past week was average and does not pose any threat yet. Check out last week market analysis video series below if you have a tea or would like to reflect on how last week unfold together with your preparation and analysis. NBSP stock watch list. A Malaysia Master Pack Group Bear Hood. A reaction with gap down action happened on last Monday. Despite the threatening movement with spike of supply, it is still supported at the level 1.8. A rally is expected to test the upper range near 2.05. VSVS Industry BHDA. Instead of having a meaningful pullback, an upsloping range was created with decreasing supply. Further rally can be anticipated given the strength of this stock. The next targets are 2.13. JHM consolidation. BHDA. A shallow reaction in conjunction with the earning announcement on August 26, 2020 as a test of the previous sharp reaction initiated on August 6, 2020 is completed. A break above 1.76 should see JHM to test 2 as the first target. Revenue Group Bear Hood. A supply absorption was seen in last week with a horizontal reaction. A rally is anticipated to break above 1.41. Comfort Gloves Bear Hood. A is expected in week 34, a reaction happened last week. Watch out for more distribution near the supply zone 4.6 5.1. Adventa BHDA. Similar to Comfort, a reaction happened last week as anticipated in week 34. Watch out for more distribution near the supply zone 3A 3.4. Frunton Corporation BHDA. Possible supply absorption in progress pending to breakout and markup. Stock B, as mentioned in week 34, is FP Group Found Pack Group Bear Hood. Supply is exhausted during last week's reaction. Expect a rally to test the resistance near 1.2. Stock A, a leader in the technology sector, is currently showing strong relative strength with supply absorption characteristics. It is expected to trend up further. NBSP stock watch list. A US MSFT Microsoft. A MSFT broke above 216. Entering into markup phase. FB Facebook. A easily overcome the supply zone near 279. The up move from last week was climatic with spike of supply. A halt in the uptrend is to be expected. IBB Biotechnology ETF. A shortening of the downward thrust together suggested exhaustion of supply. Watch out for a momentum demand bar to kickstart a rally. SEC Limited. A spike of supply on August 18, 2020 should at least temporarily halt the strong up move. Consolidation is expected. Support area is at 135A 140. JD.com. A markup continued last week hitting 80. Watch out for a reaction after this extended up move in the past 2 weeks. Net Cloudflare. A it is within a trading range between 34A 42, with a bias of reaccumulation. LVGO Livongo Health. A trading range condition is set between 111A 150. Low level of supply could help LVGO to have a test of 150. PTO and Peloton. A testing the supply line of the up channel with increasing of volume. A reaction is expected after last week's climatic up move with expanding volume. Baba Alibaba Group Holdings A Baba broke above 267 and entering into the markup phase an all-time high. BTG B2GOLD Corp A expect a reaction to test the support near 6. FSLY Fastly Inc. A after hitting 92, Fastly is set to test the resistance at 102A117. Stock X, as mentioned in week 34, is DOCU Doka Inc. It is testing the resistance zone 217A229. Support is near 185. It is within a potential reaccumulation range. Stock Y, a high beta stock from 35A160 since March 2020. It has a cause built from October 2018. Worth to pay attention for position trading on top of swing trading. A break above 159 should see continuation of trending up until emergence of excessive supply. Study their charts and you should find them interesting in terms of price structure and volume signature. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.